it's me, Chanel.
And it's me, Danielle.
And
you are watching Bubblemaniac.
If you have a friend that snores too well,
this is what you are going to do. Step 1. Cover it with a tissue or towel or pillow with something in her mouth.
Step 2. Slap her in the face or him.
Step 3. Let her eat her hair.
Thanks for watching. Remember, this channel is from the Bubblemaniac.
And remember to like, don't unlike, and always subscribe. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
And now for the bloopers.